will be times you need to restore a backup file to your Groov Epic unit, especially after you installed a system update. Restoring a backup will set prior configuration settings, such as user accounts and network settings. You'll want to schedule a restore when it minimizes the impact on users and equipment that are run by the Groov Epic. That's because the unit is shut down and restarted as part of the restore process. To restore a backup, be sure you're logged in as an administrator from a mobile device or computer. You can't restore a backup from the Groov Epic's touchscreen. Remove any security that's been applied to the backup file. From the Groov Manage home screen, select Maintenance and then Restore. You'll see a list of information that can be restored. The settings slider is green if it's going to be restored, but you can slide it to the left to deselect it. As for accounts, be sure you know an admin user ID and password that's in the backup so you can log in after the unit restarts. When you're ready, select Upload, Backup. Navigate to where the backup file is located and select Open. A message lets you know that the unit will shut down and restart after the backup. Click on Restore and Restart to start restoring the backup. You'll see some progress messages appear. When they're done, click on Next. Another message reminds you that you'll need to know a user ID and password that's in the backup you just restored to be able to log in. Click on Close. Meanwhile, the unit's in the process of restarting, and this will take a few minutes to complete. When it's done, the login screen is displayed and you're ready to log back in.